Good morning, everyone. Today, the 28th of March 2022. So we can see gold Dow, crude oil Dow, mean energy Dow is going to be hit to like $100 for 1 peso, and gold going to be around 1,900 for an ounce. That's pretty good news. So we got up pretty exciting, like the global news and stock overview. Got a lot to unpack this morning. As I say, unpack, because too many things going on. Stock and oil in like Shanghai is dropped down a lot, and in Tokyo is their price, the stock value is still holding pretty well, especially the Ukraine war. It bring up the food supplies, getting up a lot of, like, doesn't sound that's good for us. But especially in US, we still have those oil, like we call US oil exploration and products. It's getting up, that means they making right now, they produce it. So, and especially oil and US integrate, and UTFS power and those mining start drop a little bit, but those about oil and energy is getting up perfectly today. And especially transportation and solar is dropped down a little bit. But anyway, today it's oil, oil then goes down. Let's bring the stock back up. That's the main key. That's the main idea we got today. And this is it's kind of like an economy chart, and you can in Russia. So they trade the euro a lot and US dollar some, and renminbi some, and pound sterling some, and many of them they trade a lot of gold. Yeah, and this is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin last night gained up a lot. Yeah, look on the chart. In crypto total market, we can see all the Bitcoin and Dogecoin swing over, especially Dogecoin over 15 cents already last night, and they drop a little bit down to 14 cents. When Dogecoin hit around, it was hitting to like 11 cents, and you buy it 100%, you're going to have profit. You go ahead and just sell it at 14 to 15 cents, and you make like around 3 or 4 cents a share. That means you gain about 30%, 40% of your profit. That's really good. Think about that. Just cost you like 11 something, and you sell as 15. You got about 4 cents. That's pretty good money. It's honestly out there, if you keep the money in your bank, it will not give you any profit. In here, you have to invest, but with your knowledge, with the study, with reading, with a lot of skill, and especially reading chart, INFL, like identify those stock you want to buy, and the number is really important. If you buy 2 shares, you get how much you have compared with you buy 2,000 shares. The profit is different too. So being ANFL, order fiction, order charts, you need to know how to read them, and the map is really important, and how fast you are, and depend on that how good investing, especially where is good investing, it's come a good investor. And good investor always have really high education in this area. We can tell a little bit in especially we get the big tech cut up, doesn't look like it's going to be up, but it will. So especially Dow Jones add up a little bit, Nasdaq adds up a little bit, and S&P 500 add up. Those sectors cut up, add up a little bit for today, and all soybean, wheat, corn, coffee, sugar cut up down today, and like crude oil down, natural gas down, and gold and silver's down. So we're going to hit to the first stock for today. Is TLRY. TLRY. You know you can buy right now, but you can sell it at the same day if you want to. But especially if the target price, if you buy this one on C, you have to buy around $7. It's very clear. So this one in New York, and it's like 5 years ago, and we got like 2,100 people work for them, and highest was 24 and lowest one is $4. And one day they can swing around $7.25 to $8.66. That's mean over $1.40, $1.40 some. You know, $1 billion company is much value, but sometimes the $1 billion company, they can drop back to $1 million company. The thing is, very careful when you invest in. Remember, buy small share and buy slow is always the best. If some people say I have time, and some people didn't have time. So the next one is DADA, D-A-D-A, DADA Nissus. So when you buy a company like outside of the US, and you know, like the percent, the requirement from the sector and from the SEC, from SEC is not that much though. And it's 2,400 people, this, and especially $2.1 million. I mean, it's really good, and they been jump up to 32 is much higher, and $5 is the lowest one, and right now is as low. The lowest one is 9.1 and highest one is 9.88. We get like about 77 cents, you know, just get about 10 to 15 cents to skip away. But anyway, why did we just get that much? So do not expect too much when you have profits. Remember, profits, put in your pocket and run. That, you know, that's my kind of my skill and my knowledge. You know, you never know the money out there. Be safe compared with the money in your pocket. The money in your pocket is yours. Even though the green number, you see it, but you don't sell it, you still don't have it. That's not your profit yet. And the third one for today, the WAC, keep them close to $70. Or even though they drop to 65, you still have profits, because Mr. President Trump stock always the best compared with a lot of stock out there, because I love my country, you know, I buy and support. But by the way, I still have money, I still have profit, and 175 is highest one, and $9, 9.8 is the lowest one. But I swing around 69 to 73, you got $4 or $5 profit, you know. So why not? For $5, you have to have it over $1 or $2 easily. You buy right now is $69, $70, $71. You can sell everything. It's 73, 74, 75. You still make like more than $5 in a share. Think about that. If you got like 500 share, you know, you have to make over 2,000 Yeah, for one day.